Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how I got my on-campus job, and if you're an international student in the US, how you can get an on-campus job. So the first step is to find about the on-campus jobs. I've prepared notes for myself so that I don't speak for 10 minutes, and I'm going to keep this very short. First step is to find out about on-campus jobs. There are multiple ways to do it. First is to just search on campus jobs in your university, and through the website you can find any openings. Second is through alumni or any other people that you might have connected previously. Third is to talk to your college seniors and people currently in your college around you. And fourth, obviously the most important one, is to talk to your faculties and find if they have any teaching assistant or research assistant positions under them. Since you're new to college, it might be difficult to know faculties from before and to reach out to faculties, but do that. Talk to your seniors, ask them which faculties are very active, which faculties have ongoing projects with them. So just be a little more active, don't be shy, and email them. The second step is to register on the portal. So when you join the college, when you join any new college, you get a college email ID. Like I'm in the new school, so I have my name, newschool.edu. So once you have that email ID, you can register on the application portal. On application portal, you will find openings across all the colleges. If you're in a university with multiple colleges, you'll have all the kinds of jobs there. Once you do that, you will need to have your resume, portfolio and cover letter handy. So here you're going to find multiple jobs. It could be something from like media management to event management to graphic design to accountant to anything. Like the job could be literally anything, and you may not get a job that you want from your department, but it's okay. The important part is to get an on-campus job for now, so apply to as many as you can. So what I did was how I found out about my job through the portal in which all the jobs postings were. And as soon as I applied for the job, I went to the department which had posted that job and found out at least 3 to 4 email IDs from that department. And I emailed everybody, all the faculties from that department, that I found this opening, I've applied for the job on the portal, and I believe I'm a great fit for it. So please consider my application. And it doesn't end here. You have to follow up. Even after you email, follow up in 2 days or 3 days. Hi, is there any update on the same? So that is how you have to be very active, and keep on emailing faculties, keep on asking for an update about your application process. So this is the most important part. Just don't apply like 40 50 job openings and not do anything about it. You will not get a reply back. So once you get a reply back, I hope you do. So once you get a reply, you might have a screening round or an interview round. This depends on the job and the job skill required. And if you pass that, you will have an HR round. So the HR will just make sure that you're eligible to work, you meet all the requirements. Most important, as an international student, you can only work for 20 hours a week. And so if you have any other job or if you're working somewhere else, you can't work outside your campus, but you will just they will just make sure that you fit into all of these requirements. Once that happens, so for me, I met my HR, and my HR gave me an offer letter, and he gave me a letter for the social security number saying that I have been offered a position in the new school, so please issue me a SSN number. I took this form, I took my I-20, my passport, my HR letter, everything to the social security office. I took an appointment and applied for a social security number, without which I cannot work in the US. So that got approved very quickly, but it took almost a week or 10 days to deliver. So within 2 weeks, my social security was delivered in my mailbox. While that was happening, I had a lot of HR forms to fill. So with regard to the taxes, with regard to eligibility, linking my SSN to my bank account, there was a lot of work to be done during this time. I filled at least 8 to 10 forms or more. And this whole process, right from the day I applied to the day I started working, it took almost a month. So it does take that much amount of time. So keep that in mind. So I got an SSN, and yeah, I got the letter. And now, depending on the kind of the job, it can either be for a semester, for a year, or per project. It can be $15 an hour, $17 an hour, can go up to $45 an hour. Depends on how your college is paying and what their paying capacity is for the project. So it totally depends. So I don't think there's a cap for how much money you can earn, but there's a cap for the number of hours that you can. So that's about it. To sum it up very quickly, research, talk to people, network, talk to faculties, talk to your seniors, apply on the portal, keep your customized cover letters, resume and portfolio ready, follow up on emails, talk to the HR, finish all the documents very quickly, have your bank account ready, and yeah, you can get a credit card once you have an SSN number, so that's a plus. And yeah, it's a very hectic process. You can't get an on-campus job. I mean, you can, but it's very difficult, so don't get disheartened if you don't have a campus job as soon as you land in, and please don't depend on it to pay your living expenses immediately, because there is no guarantee that you'll get one. So I mean, that is the reality. I'm not demotivating you, but that is the reality. It can take up to like 6 months or a year to get a campus job as well. But yeah, that was my process. I hope this helped you in any way possible. If you have any doubts about how to write a cover letter, resume, how to reach out to faculties, how to cold email, drop in a comment below. And thanks for watching this video, guys. I'll see you in the next video.